The following message is the request of the SCP Foundation. A monster broke out of the chamber and it's in New York. All residents of New York are authorized to stay home at this time. Stay tuned for more updates. The following message is the request of the SCP Foundation and Federal Emergency Management Agency. The situation that happened 2 hours ago had worsened. The monster that broke out of the chamber started killing people. By breaking into the house and killing them with no mercy. All residents of New York are to go into a shelter. If you don't have a shelter, call 911 immediately and they will take you to a safe location. If this gets worse, then we will have to evacuate. Stay tuned for more updates. This message will repeat in 4 hours. The following message is the request of the SCP Foundation and Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An evacuation now exists. Reports came in about monsters spreading in New York. And it's so bad that they will create a toxic smoke to kill the monster. It will happen in 1 hour. If you don't evacuate, you will face death. And the smoke will kill people. 2. If the monster spreads in the entire planet, then the smoke will spread. It's confirmed that the smoke will last for 3 hours. Stay tuned for more updates. Welcome to the Emergency News Network. The evacuation that happened 3 days ago was successful. But the monster turns out to be spreading in the United States. And the smoke is now released. All residents in the United States are authorized to shelter in place at this time. And a report came in about more monsters are escaping the chamber. This is a dangerous situation. Stay tuned for more updates. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. The following message is the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat. This is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. Reports came in about monsters spreading across the entire planet. And the smoke that the United States government released had failed. There is no way to avoid this situation. All residents of the planet, gather your friends, family, pets, or anyone you love. Brace for the end, as the nuclear bombs will hit the plant in the next 24 hours. Goodbye everyone.